Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can go ahead and create an event registration form on your website on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, you might be able to use any built-in systems on Squarespace to actually create these forms. Pretty sure there is a form block which you can add to your site. However, what I prefer to do is I'm going to use this elf site widget to actually import it or actually embed it onto my site. So I'm just going to be using this. It's called Form Builder, and you can just Google elf site Squarespace event registration forms, and you'll get to this page over here. And I'm going to go and click on event registration form since that's what I want. And now, as you'll see, it'll show me the widget template. As you can see, everything is here that you need. You have your first name, last name, email address, phone number, country, date of birth, t-shirt size, whatever you need, as well as emergency contact information. And then once you edited everything to what you want it to be, you can just go ahead and click on add to website for free, and it's gonna save that widget, and it's going to take you to your elf site account. So you do need an account for this, so make sure you create it. It's free, so you can just create a free account. And once you have everything and once your form is done, you can just click publish, and you're going to need to select a free version if you want. However, that's only gonna have limited options, as well as you're gonna need to show the elf site logo, but it doesn't really matter. I'll just select the free one just for the purpose of this tutorial. Then you'll get the embed code here. Just copy the code over, and now once we're on our website on Squarespace, click edit and add a new block to any of your sections. Click on embed, and now you have an embed block. Click the pen to start editing it. Click on code snippet, embed data, and then paste the elf site code over here. Now, to preview this, we're going to need to preview it in safe mode. And as you can see, now the registration form is showing. If I click save and click exit, it should show it pretty much in full. So let's just wait until this loads. And there we go. We have our entire form over here. And that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.